What's up, guys? I'm back. Sorry I missed the video last week. I got super busy, but yeah, I'm here now. So I'm at $21,019 right now. I'm down $1,854. Earned dividends is at 273. It is currently, let's see, Wednesday, November 9th, in the morning. Right now, just woke up, but activity wise, I just been dollar cost averaging. Haven't been buying too much. Um, the past few weeks, I would say I bought a Tesla around 187. I've been buying some Amazon as well. I sold some fuel cell 150 around there, $150 worth. Sorry. So yeah, I bought Tesla around 187. Amazon just thought cost averaging $50. Around $87 mark. As you can see right here, kept buying. And then Microsoft, I bought around 226 around there, just $40. Yeah, just buying very small. As the market is going down, as you can tell, my buying power is at $2,341 just from kept depositing every week. Haven't been really buying anything. And then yeah, I have been selling a bit on some of the positions I was holding. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as an update. Just dollar cost averaging small, increasing my buying power, getting ready to buy the dips pretty much. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to stay tuned. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week.